Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about these pet urns that I make. I make them on the lathe or I make them on the bandsaw, but here we go. Many of the urns that I make, I use resin. I mix different pearlax and colors in them and mix them together, trying to get some color complements. I also add pieces of burl and different kinds of exotic woods to have a different texture and feel and color in the urns. I attach a block of wood to the end of this mold so I can put it on the lathe and shape it to my desired end product. Here are a few in-process urns that can show you the burl wood, and there's walnut slices in there and all different kinds of colors, and it's very interesting on bright colors that I've used in the resin to help accent the piece. And I put a piece of cherry on the top, and this is the hood itself, or the top that will be sealed, will seal in the contents of the urn. I'm still working on these. Basically, I'm just looking to create something that is extremely unique and original and very creative, something that you would be proud to put on a mantel. This final urn is made of cedar. It is in process, and I'm not even sure about what shape I'm going to give it, but I just wanted to show you that I've also worked in just plain wood. And finally, these are examples of finished products that are either sold or in marketplaces, and I do have some on Etsy. The log urns with the burl book matching tops are on Etsy, so if you're interested, there'll be a link below in the description area where you can find that. And I appreciate you watching and hope that you subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks again.